Today is Wednesday, August 6th, 2025, and it is Yom Revi'i, 4th day of the week, 12th day of Av, 5785, and the parsha of the week is Vetchanan. The Daf Yomi is Avodah Zarah, page 49, Daf 49, and this is the PL-89 calendar, a lunar, solar, Julian, Daf Yomi, and it's based on the planet Mercury calendar, and it's a gematriatic quantum thought calendar, which means that it is seeking to find and extract data from the reality, as it were, through a timely process of gematria, and analyzing the time for gematriatic patterns. And so the point of this is that this calendar marks a maximum of 3 months of time, and the amount of boxes that you're looking at is 80 boxes that are seen, and there's 10 because it's 8 by 10, and then there's 10 under here that represent the last 10 days of any season. So it's 90 or 91 days. If it's at 31, something like July had 31 days. And so an example of this is any event, anything that happens can be analyzed and seen gematriatically. And so the challenge is, or the idea is, to find a gematriatic connection each day to the box that we're in. And there are several rules in the calendar, but I guess I won't go through all the rules, just as they come up I can mention it. So it's a lunar and solar calendar. So in this calendar it is equally August 6th and is Av 12. And they're both seen in this calendar, and Julian calendar and the Daf Yomi as well. And so the connection for today is that if this is a solar calendar, which it is, then box 11 would be today. Okay, this is August 1st, and it was also Av 1st. It doesn't matter whether it's Av or August, it just starts here. And if you start, let's say this year, Av came first, so it was on Shabbat here, and then we went up to here, and then August was here, so August is here, and then Av was over here. So then they're also managed to, you see the difference between the two, it's also a function in the system. But today, August 6th would be box 11, because it goes 8, 17, 25, 34 to 11. That's the sequence is 8 plus 9 with a reset at 40, based on a verse in the book of Leviticus, chapter 25 and verse 20, around the sabbatical year. The explanation of that will be for a different time, but today it is 11. And the rule in the PL-89 is that in order to get any number, you need, let's say you want to get 2 million, where are you going to get that from? Or 2,000,008. So the rule is that because it's based on 40, the reset or the cutoff point is 40, which has to do with the letter Mem. It's a big theme in this thing because it has to do with Mashiach, the Messiah. And Mem is 40, and you add 40 to any number, and it's considered in that box. For example, let's just say today it's 11, so then 51 is considered 11, 91 is considered 51, 211 is considered 11, and 1211 is considered 11, and 2,011 is, get the idea. If you just add 40, then all of those numbers ad infinitum stay in that box. That's how you can get any number, any whole number that is. And so today, since we're in box 11, 51 of course would be considered 11 because of that rule. And I happen to I walked today, and the timing has it that I went, and there's a very nice a building called the Jerusalem Spirit building. I think they're like nice condominiums, but for some they were having a wedding there. I guess even if not the wedding, they were just doing the pictures there. And I saw the groom, they were taking, as I was walking to lunch, I saw across the street, they had people taking pictures and the groom. I didn't see the bride, I just saw the groom. And then I went, I got a haircut, and I got a shave, and then I got pizza. Then I came back, and I came back. It was maybe, I don't know, it was half an hour, 40 minutes later, something like that. And then I see the bride, and the groom's not there, but I see the bride now. It's very interesting timing. And so I thought that's maybe it's an event that has to. It's in the code. It's in the reality. So the question is, where do you find that in this calendar? So since it's 11, and the rule is plus 40, so 11 is 51. And if you go to cipher 14, it's like reverse reduction EP. No, it's I forgot the name of it, but it is cipher 13 rather. Cipher 13, and just like you can move over from purple to violet. Here, you can also move over, that's one of the rules, you can also move over in the cipher itself. Let's say today's 12, so you can move over to 13. So cipher 13, wedding, the word wedding equals 51. So that would show you that on this box, it's 11, and wedding was happening today. So that's the connection for the PL-89 Gematria Thought Calendar for Wednesday, August 6th. And the owner of the E, 12th of Av.